So muntu lomdzinga kakhulu empilweni yakho and umuntu lekumele abelieve kakhulu kuwe, it's you, nguwe. You can't expect anyone else. You can't expect people to do that for you. Do it for yourself, man. My sister, do it for yourself. Dithembe, dithanze, dinakekele. Wathi ukuthi bonke abantu bangangijikela, bonke abantu bangangishiya, but mina angeke ngitijikele and angeke ngitishiye. That's enough. I always got me. I always got my back. I will always be there for me. Every time ngitidzinga ngilapho for me, ne? Every time ngatidzinga, I'm there for me, ne? I got myself. I got my back. Ngiyadithemba. That's the only validation you need in your life is from you. You need to validate yourself. Kwakumele ukhulume impilo empilweni yakho. Kwakumele ukhulume impumelelo empilweni yakho. Because ngaphela minyaka, ngaphela tinyanga without anybody saying I am proud of you and or saying I know you can make it or you will make it. So the only person who need to say it to yourself is you. You must say it to yourself. I am proud of myself. I know I'm a winner. I am winning. I'm a born winner. All is do is win, 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 no matter what. That's what we do. This is how we roll, you see. You must speak life to yourself. Tikhulumise kahle. Tiphathe kahle. Ungabi a victim of your mind. Le mind yakho, le ngqondo yakho, kungabi ngiyo leshaya sicathule empilweni yakho. It must be you. Tell the mind ukuthi si lana samba, so we trust ourselves. We know ukuthi everything nayo yendeka, we're gonna be able to deal with it and overcome it. Trust yourself, man. You don't need people to come and trust you. You don't need people to come and validate you. You only need self-love, self-appreciation, self-knowing. Bantu bagcine sebahamba sebatlinga tuwe ma relationships, sebakhalela abantu, sebangafuni kushiwa because abati tsanzi bona beko there for bona. If you love yourself that much, angeke ubeketelele idoti, angeke ubeketelele masimba, because you know ukuthi no, the standards are high, man. Mina ngithi phatha ngcono kunaloku, yabo. So akusilula ukuthi utithola so busy ubeketelela idoti ebantwini because the standard for wena already is high and you are keeping it there. Uyangithola? So ilethe kuwe lento, dithanze wena, do things that are gonna prove to yourself that you love yourself. You see, by me, I am doing a lot. I gym, I take care of my mind, I take care of my emotions, I meditate, I do all of that. I speak nice to myself just to prove to myself that no, I love myself and I wanna see myself evolve, become better and better and better. And then I do it. I study. There's so much books to read, guys. The wisdom is in the books. Study. Kubhalwe ngayo yonke into yemhlaba, how to do anything, how to move from 0 to 100, you see. Konke kubhaliwe phansi emabhukwini, but what do? We don't read. We don't read. Sitshela ukuthi kufunza ngilele basifundise kona esikolweni, ukuhamba uyofunza esikolweni iphelela lapha igcina lapha. Kanti no, man. It's the internet, we have everything. Ma AI konga, you can learn anything on internet these days. How do you use your mind? So as complaining, akusifault government, akusifault system, akusifault bathakathi. No, i-fault yami ngitifakile la kule nkinga le ngidotikhipha la kule nkinga le. Bengingasi aware, bengingazi ukuthi nginemandla langaka empilweni yami. I didn't know ukuthi I have all the power. I didn't know if ngibona ngathi angeke kuyenteka. I didn't know if nangibelieve, I know conviction ukuthi it's gonna happen. Bengitshela ukuthi kune outside force le controller everything about my life and my outcome and income. But now the power is in our hands. Njengoba ngisho, the power is in our hands. Le realization yokuthi we are godly, we are divine, we are powerful. Uyangithola? Neti le blessing lasinikete yona uNkulunkulu uSibanda ukuthi we can think, you can plan, you can change direction. Ungathi uyangala uchinje, you can change how you see things, how you think, how you move, your philosophy, how you do things. You can change that. When uchinja logo, how you think, how you feel, how you do, uchinja impilo yakho. Simple. Awuhambi we outside of you and try to change the circumstances, the situations. You are wasting energy. You change you. Let me change how I view my life, how I view the world. Oh, Lana, a problem is not the system, is not the government, it's not everything. It's here, my thinking, ideas. We don't lack money, we lack ideas. Because ngebuningi bethu sititshela ukuthi imali we gonna earn it from work. So ithola emsebenzini kuphela. Labanengi bacabanga lokho, say they don't think about possibilities, things they can do to better themselves, the talent they have and they can use to change their outcome. We don't do all of that because says operator le level yokuthi no indlela yokena imali ingilena le. So we don't use what our thinking mind. We don't think. So let's think, guys. Let's think. Take time. You can uhlale 30 minutes. Be alone. Just think about your life. Think about yourself. Think about what you wanna do. Think about your future. Write goals. You must have a notebook where you write about what you are thinking about, your ideas, what you wanna change, and all of that. You must put it down on paper. That's how the great do it.